Okay squad, we're back. My name is Andrew. What we're going to be doing today is a high-end gaming build for our guest Damien. What we wanted to do is put a Lian Li 011 dynamic Evo case, house all of that RGB and our gaming performance with i9 13th gen with an RTX 4080, all of that big case, a lot of RGB. Let's get to it. Okay squad, this is going to be it. This is the final product. We put that i9 13th gen into that Z790 motherboard, RTX 4080, powered by a 1000-watt power supply. Massive build, and as you can see, the RGB is in there. That's what we do. That's what we want to push for you. We want to get you those top-end gaming components and the warranties that come with that. That way, not only while you're gaming and pushing all of that performance, you're guaranteed for all of those parts for that much price based on the market and how they treat you. Give us a call. We'll help you with this. 281-647-9977. Have a great St. Patrick's Day, squad.